Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 57 Gladstone Road in Rivervale. This 4-bedroom character home is bigger than a normal home for Rivervale. 2 living areas on a whopping 706 square metre block, leaves you plenty of room for the pool and a backyard. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of 57 Gladstone Road in Rivervale. As you can see, this home's got plenty of room to move, and so's the backyard. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.